Sikuthulela umbiko lapho sithi khona namuhla ke sithe ake siphume senze lolu hlelo la sithi khona community outreach. Uyazi ke ukuthi ke siyasifike sithembisa online uma ngabe kunalezo zinto ezenzekayo ukwethula ke okuhle okwenziwa emphakathini buka nje ngoba amaphoyisa kaMasipala ngaphansi komkhandlu dolobha waseKuruleni ebamsene ke nomnyango wezenhlala kahle ngaphansi komkhandlu dolobha waseKuruleni kuphinde ke futhi ke kube ke umnyango wokubusa ngokubambisana esifundazweni ke saseGauteng nenhlaka ke zomphakathi bahambele ke umuzi wasendaweni ke yase 3234 Khotso Street ePhumlungu okuyindawo ke la kubonakale khona kunokwentula okukhona okuningi. Siyazi ukuthi ke ziningi ke ingqinamba eziyayizivele zibe khona emphakathini ikakhulukazi ke kubantu kepha ke bathe asijajani, let's make a difference njengoba ke bela behlangene nathi ke siyithembisa online sokwazi ukuthi sikhulumisane nabo basichazele kabanzi ngalokhu okwenzeka kulolu suku lanamhlanje. Ngingahambi ngedwa nami ekhona uSihle Ngwini Wonder K wasesipho Figleni okuyena osiqophela lemsindo nezithombe bese kuba ubanele uBrazo wakwaSondlo kuyena oqondisa aqinisekise ukuthi nemibhalo nayo ke iyakwazi ukuthi ke iphume kahle. Wena ake uhambe nami kulolu hambo. Mhlonishwa cela nje uzethule emphakathini ubaba asixelele kungubani ungwakwabani umsebenzi wakhe uyintoni.
Sabonga baba, igama lami ngoIsaac Bangelizwe, customer care manager wasethembisa but namhlanje ngilana ngimele ubabulanga waseEdenville.
Siyazi ukuthi ke siyasibe nezingqinamba eziba khona emphakathini. Nithe namhlanje ake niwashiya amahhovisi wenu nishiya itulo zenu ezintofontofo ezijikayo kodwa nesemphakathini. Tell us about today's initiative.
Baba, namhlanje kahle kahle siqale ngoLesibili saxhumana noCouncillor wendawo wasitshela ukuthi kunomzi ontulayo la kwaBaba Kruger 3234 washo ukuthi kukhona inkinga la. Sizila sazobheka sathola ukuthi isimo sihlanga abantu abaphile kahle la. Ekudleni okudla kukho akho umuntu osebenzako baphila nje ngokuzizamela baze basithola sebe ama victims wama drugs. So namhlanje ke singabasebenzi bakaMasipala nokuhlangana futhi neCogta neprovince sithe sinikezele ngemizuzu yethu 67 Nelson Mandela 67 minutes ukuthi sizelana sosiza lo mphakathi not only le family but nala estradini ukuthi sikhulume nabantu sibacwayise ukuthi izidakamizwa ziyinkinga emphakathini. But ke sizawuzama ukuthi silungise indlu la ekhaya. Sizawufuthi nozama ukuthi kuba kuna abantwana abancane bafana kuba esikoleni but baye esikoleni because of impilo. So sikhulume nabantu abazosiza ukuthi baba remove la baba seke safe house. Sisaxoka nabanye futhi ukuthi bangasayidla abo bakhona obumalume abadala abahlala abafisa ukuthi bayasebenza but abasebenzi yabo nabo sifuna ukuthi namhlanje kuyenzeka siba remove so that indlu lena sikwazi ukuthi silungise be right besimeni si right ukuthi kungahlala abantu nabanye sikhuluma nabantu kuma companies ukuthi bangabona basiza kanjani kumhlambi omnye asiza ukuthi bathola amadohwa-dohwanyana. But lokho kuzokwenzeka masele abantu becale bahamba iprocess ukuthi babuyele emqondweni babe right ngoba okwamanje abekho kusimo sokuthi bangasebenza bazenza lutho. So sifuna ukuthi baye endaweni la bangakhona ukuthi balungiswe babe right so that bakwazi uzimela njengomphakathi.
Kubaleke kangakanani to take time out of your busy schedules and also just reach out to the communities and also niphinde nibambisane nama stakeholders?
Baba, kahle inkonzo yethu leyo. Sisebenzela umphakathi. Kubalekile ukuthi sibe nesikhathi sokuphume singabasebenzi siye ebantwini sibone indlela abaphila ngayo. Kithi befuse ukuthi lento izinto esenza almost every month. So ke mina kuyangazi mina every Friday isestradini. So umsebenzi wethu baba lo. It's not a favor.
Uye wathetha ngendaba kaTata uMadiba ithini into pha ngento ethi 67 minutes ngabe mhlambe sekuyinto eseyisegazini neqhubu unyaka.
Hayi baba into sisijwayele unyaka nonyaka sine program esenzako la sihambe volunteer emindenini nasemphakathini sisebenza nje njengoba ngakutshela nje ukuthi siqale usebenza lana ngoLesibili kwashabo sisebenza sikhipha udoti la asiclaim overtime sisiza zomphakathi kuphela sesijwayele.
Siyabulela mhlakazi.
Inkosi kakhulu tata.
Mhlonishwa sikubingelele sikunika ithuba ubingelele umphakathi uzethule ubaba ubani wakwabani kuyiphi inhlangano nasemphakathini?
Igama ubaba uFrance Vugeya ngiphuma ePhumlungu. ngibingelele kubahlali, ngibingelele ku wonke umuntu okhona eSouth Africa.
Nenzani la baba iqhaza enilibambile la lihamba kanjani?
Iqhaza esilibambile lana ukuthi size lana ngendaba ye-outreach campaign. Njengoba sesimenyiwe ukuthi sizolekelela sibambe iqhaza nathi sikwazi ukuthi silungise umndeni olahlekelwe because umndeni lona okhona la kulendlu le kunomndeni ontulayo, kunomndeni ohlukumezekile, kunomndeni izinto zawo ezingalungi kahle. Umama wala kulomuzi uthe makahamba washiya umndeni ungahlezi kahle. So yonke into ekhona yenzakalayo kulomuzi kusho ukuthi kunezinto ezifana nama drugs addict, kuna yonke lento eyenzakayo kulomuzi. Abantwana bazicontrol, akusana control kulomuzi. So yiyo le ndaba namhlanje siphumile ukuthi sizonceda kulomuzi, sibize nabaka social development kube na yonke lento yosizo ukuthi batholakale basizakala umndeni okhona la.
Mhlawumbe uzothi omunye umuntu cha kuhle nikwenza la siyabona futhi ngendlela umsebenzi ongakhona. Uzothi omunye nami ngikwenye indawo kunomndeni futhi ocisha ufane nalo. Ngabe niyakwazi yini ukuthi njengoba seniqalile niphinde niyofinyelela khona?
Kuleyo sesiqalile sabuyele emuva. Siyaphambili. Sifuna ukuthi sisize yonke imindeni enazo lenkinga ezifana nalezi ukuthi nayo ikwazi ukuthi iimprove impilo yayo, ikwazi ukuthi bahlaliseke bathole amathuba angcono, ukuthi bahlale bathathwe abanye baswe la kufanele baswe khona kuma rehab endaweni zokuhlala kahle and then ukulungisa umuzi wabo sikwazi ukuthi imizi yabo ihlale kahle ngendlela elungile.
Amazi okugcina emphakathini,
amazi okugcina engawasha emphakathini ukuthi umphakathi fanele ngaso sonke isikhathi ubekihlo ehlaleni, singahlali negebengu ehlaleni, singahlali nabantu abazosilethela icrime, singahlali nabantu abazosihlukumeza ehlaleni. Sigade ngaso sonke isikhathi imindeni yethu entulayo, sikwazi ukuthi sibambisane siwumphakathi siyincede ikwazi ukukhula iye phambili. Nalabo abayintandane sikwazi ukuthi sibahambele, sikwazi ukuthi sibanikeza amathuba bakwazi nabo ukuthi baphile impilo engcono.
Thobela ausi
Agel ka?
a re tsohile ke ausmangwa ha mang o gone o hlalosa mo.
Nna ke nna Lucky Mashego ke dula mo strateng sa mo 2875.
Jwale ka makhi wena o ikutla jwang ka letsatsi la today?
Nna ke ikutla ke thabile, at least finally ba tla thola help because we've been seeking help since from FMA estimate I think 2020.
Ma challenges tsa mo ne di tsamaya jwang?
The challenges tsa mo ne di le thata because the late Magoko o tlhokofetse mama bona nantse a lla ka same problem a hlopheya njalo a complain a sa tse bore a lele ka dikhalo tsa hae no sna mo di fihlang go teng go tla a tlhokofala at least finally today dikhalo tsa hae di utlwahetse. Bana ba tla thola thuso.
No re a leboha.
Thank you.
Mhlonisha, if you can kindly introduce yourself most chabeng.
Mina nguNathi Mbalati from COGTA, eGauteng Corporate Government and Traditional Affairs. I'm managing CDW in Ekurhuleni, where we've got 61 CDWs, but we have clustered them according to our location, Tembisa, Katlehong, Tembisa, Vosloorus, and all those areas. But our duty is to make sure that we close the gap between the community and government and give information to government, report all services that are running short in the community. Substance abuse, we also deal with them. As now we have identified this house that 90% of them bago substance abuse. So we realize that there is a need that we coordinate all departments. Ekurhuleni municipality, we have coordinated community safety. We coordinated our social development department. We come together as government to say what is there that we can do. And our main objective that we have realized that we can be able to do, it was to make sure that we clean up this area. It become a house that can be used by people. Where there is a need, you identify other people who have to be referred to Ama Rehab. We've already done that. That process is going to take place while we are cleaning up this particular area. But what we have observed also is that this community is substance abuse, more especially in the street where we are now. this is not the only house that have been affected by that. They've got a lot of houses that have been affected, but we said let's start with this one, and we're going to continue. We make sure that we assist this community in case yama rehab, and also in case sibakhombisa ukuthi kuyafuneka ukuthi la bahlala khona environment ibe clean, so that bazokwazi ukuthi bathole the healthy part of it. So that's what we are doing today as Mandela Day. Thanks very much.
Thobela ntate.
Ake le dumedise. Ya ke Simon Wamputla, ke community leader ya mo Tembisa Kempton Park. Yeah, so usually most of the stakeholders share le mo tsona ke tse re thushana le badudi as a whole. Badudi whereby re tlhakana le ntho tse ngata ka side la community safety e leng go Winnie Mandela mola re thushana le bana ba bantši ba tlile mo ba ileng gore re setse ba dumetse go di rehab leng re tshwenya ke these things tša di drugs di tletse mo strateng bana ba rena ba sa kgona go ya go dikolong ka baka la those substances. Then re tlhetlhile le dikolo dikgweding tsela di fetile whereby bana setse ba join this thing tša di gangsters is because of ntho tse ba di tsubang go tša ba tshaba dikolo ba dirang. We have tried le the association le ba di kereke re tsamaya most of the high schools whereby ga ba thoma ba gola bana ba ke ba thoma go experience ntho tše ntši mo ileng gore mainly ntho ya di drugs ke yona re tshwenyang too much mo ke. That is why even more ke re tlile mo phomolong gore tle re bona re thušane le di families tše leng gore di need assistance ge le bona rena le ba metro le bona ba department different department re tlhakane mo ke go tlo thuša setšhaba. Thank you.
Yake muzwa kwethu Tembisa Online mangabe ke sithi ke community outreach program yabe sikhona endaweni yasePhumulong la eHotso Street. Siyabonga ke ukubona ke umehluko wenzeka emphakathini nakuwe impilo ke isengashintsha. Igama lami ngingumfanelo Phenyi Bheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibonga ngihamba ngedwa ukhona uAsesipho Figlen ukuyena osiqoqela imsindo kanjalo ke nezithombe ubanelo Brazo Sondlo uqondisa phinde ke qinisekise ukuthi ke namagama avela kahle. Wanda K ukhona Sihle Ngwini kanti ke besikhona ePhumulong.